10 different ways to make money by using ChatGPT in 2023. ChatGPT is an AI software providing an answer to your questions. It is a language-based module helping in solving easily major queries. Using this tool assures earning a lot of money. 1. Content writing services. Delivering content in high quality and fast is the main requirement of the marketing teams. It requires one to have a writing flair to earn good money. ChatGPT is helpful. It speeds up the process of writing and you can complete more work. For instance, to write about improving SaaS sales, ChatGPT helps by giving outdated and generic strategies to drive sales. You can also look for SEO prompts. 2. Writing music lyrics. Song lyrics always reveal the depth of emotions, and this makes the song a hit. Writing similar lyrics is possible and you can earn money. Using ChatGPT, you may put your thoughts into words and make music lyrics. Use the 3.5 technology of GPT, the latest by Chatsonic, and see how the job market is changing AI. 3. Writing and selling comic books. Creating illustrations and adding a story to them requires some good writing talents. Here is something to make more earnings, and it is writing and selling comic books. It is not easy, but ChatGPT helps with illustrations and not images. However, AI technology ensures making money with ChatGPT. Write a killer intro and look for the illustration. Spend time on Chatsonic to sell your comic book on Amazon and other platforms. 4. Start a food recipe blog. The simplest ways of earning money with ChatGPT are to create a website and to write about recipes. If you have no cooking knowledge, check with ChatGPT for updated information on recipes. Get the latest recipes from Google data. Leverage technology using AI-generated images and offer a better reading experience. 5. Copywriting. Copywriting is not for people who like writing long-form content such as ebooks and blog posts. Writing viral tweets, ad copy, or captivating Instagram captions, use ChatGPT and earn more money with fewer words. Use emotions and play with words, generate sassy captions, and generate an image using the personal avatars of Chatsonic. 6. Create coloring, painting books. Painting and coloring books are popular with children. These are now stress relievers for adults after a tiring day. Leverage technology by downloading or creating multiple designs and making a coloring book. Sell them on Amazon, Etsy, and more. 7. Editing and paraphrasing services. Editors' demand is high in the content stream. Ensure the content is clear, accurate, and easy to read. Effectively repurpose the content into a LinkedIn post, a tweet thread, and so on, where paraphrasing skills help. 8. Become a Chatsonic affiliate. A great way of earning extra money is with SaaS sales by becoming a Chatsonic affiliate. Get a 30% commission on the sale on referring using your referral link with the audience. Sign up for Chatsonic for free and start selling and promoting on Chatsonic as an affiliate. Track the earning through the affiliate dashboard. 9. Email marketing services. Email marketing converts into sales. Pitching properly with catchy subject lines makes the email content worth marketing. It includes newsletters, sequences, promotional emails, and retention. With Chatsonic conversational responses and ChatGPT academic tone, make your brand resonate and welcome new users. 10. Sell unique digital illustrations. Expressive illustrations of AI technology are always in demand. Print on t-shirts, coffee cups, and more. Create digital illustrations with Chatsonic. Monetize illustrations by selling on print-on-demand sites such as Redbubble and Printify. You can also sell them as wall-hanging printables on Etsy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for more informative videos.